Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious lobster rolls using frozen lobster meat. First, let's talk about thawing. You can safely thaw your frozen lobster meat in the refrigerator overnight. If you are in a hurry, a cold water bath works well, taking about 30 minutes. Just be sure to drain any excess liquid from the thawed meat completely before moving on to the next step. This ensures your lobster rolls will have the perfect texture and flavor. Now, let's prepare the star of our show, the lobster salad. Gently chop your thawed lobster meat into nice, bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, combine the lobster with about 1/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. For a delightful crunch and fresh flavor, stir in some finely chopped celery or chives. Mix everything together until it is just combined, being careful not to overmix. With our delicious lobster salad ready, it is time to assemble the rolls. Take your split-top hot dog buns and lightly butter their sides. Toast them in a pan or on a griddle until they are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. This adds a wonderful texture contrast. Then, generously fill each warm, toasted bun with your prepared lobster salad. For a final flourish, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a small lemon wedge. And there you have it. Your incredible homemade lobster rolls are ready to be enjoyed. For the very best taste and experience, serve them immediately while the buns are still warm. These rolls pair wonderfully with classic sides like crispy potato chips, a refreshing coleslaw, or a light green salad. Whether it is for a casual lunch or a special gathering, these lobster rolls are sure to be a hit with everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.